In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show overdue tasks in Notion. We're going to set up a simple system that flags overdue work and lets you focus on exactly what needs your attention. You'll create one formula property and then filter your database to show only the items that are overdue with a clear visual cue so nothing slips through the cracks. Start by opening your Notion database where you track tasks. Add a new property. Choose the formula type and name it something clear, like overdue. Now paste in the provided formula. This formula checks two things: whether the due date has already passed and whether the task is not marked as done. If both are true, it returns a warning label that includes an alert emoji and the word overdue, making it easy to spot. Before you close the formula editor, double-check the property names inside the formula. The part that looks like prop date must exactly match the name of your date column in your database. If your date column is called something like due or deadline, update the formula so it references that exact name. The same idea applies to your completion status. The formula expects that completed tasks are labeled done. If you use a different word or your status property is named differently, update those references in the formula so the logic matches your setup. Getting these names right is crucial, otherwise the formula won't know which fields to evaluate. With the formula in place, you'll notice it will display an alert icon for any task whose due date is in the past and whose status is not done. That visual cue alone is helpful. But let's make it even more actionable by showing only those items. At the top right of your database view, click Filter. In the filter settings, select your new formula property, the one you just created for overdue detection. Set the condition to show items where the formula result contains the text "Fay overdue." Using contains is helpful because it will match the full label returned by the formula, including the emoji. As soon as you apply this filter, your database view will narrow down to only the tasks that are overdue and still need attention. That's it. You now have a clear visual flag for overdue items and a focused view that shows only what's behind schedule. Adjust your property names in the formula whenever you change your database structure. And this setup will keep working smoothly. Thanks for watching.